This dance is called 3/4 time. It's a 48 count, 2 wall, high beginner level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. And it is a little waltz. Starting on the left foot, we're going into some twinkles. So you're going to cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, left beside right. Twinkle back to the left, so you step across the right over the left, step the left to the side, step the right beside the left. 2 twinkles. That set of steps once more, off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Cross, side, close, cross, side, close. So those are your twinkles. You can do a basic waltz forward, off on that left, so you step the left forward, right beside left, left in place. A basic waltz back, stepping the right back, left beside right, right in place. That set of steps once more then, waltzing forward and back, off on that left. 4, 5, 6. Forward waltz, back waltz. So step, close, close, back, close, close. Add those 2 sections together. Twinkles off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, twinkle, step, close, close, back, close, close. So you're going into a waltz step, but making half a turn to the left. So you're going to step that left foot forward, and as you do so, you're going to make that half a turn to the left. Step the right beside the left, left beside the right. Then add on a basic back waltz, stepping back on the right, left beside right, right in place. That set of steps once more, half waltz, off on the left. 4, 5, 6, half, close, close, back, close, close. Now if you do struggle doing that initial half a turn, what you can actually do is start to make that half when you step forward on that left, complete the half as you step the right beside the left, then just step the left in place. So it just takes out some of the pressure of trying to get around that half a turn all in one step. Let's add that to the top. Twinkle off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, twinkle, forwards and back. Half waltz, half, close, close, back, close, close. Step the left forward, point the right out to the side, hold. Step the right back, point the left to the side, hold. That set of steps once more then, step, hold, off on the left. 4, 5, 6, step, point, hold, back, point, hold. Add that to the top. Twinkles off on the left. 4, 5, 6, twinkle, twinkle, step, close, close, back, close, close, half, close, close, back, close, close, step, point, hold, back, point, hold. You're going to add on a samba step. So you're going to cross that left over the right, then rock to the side on the right and recover. And that is your samba step, cross side rock. Into a little weave. Cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left. That set of steps once more then, that's samba off on the left. 4, 5, 6, cross side rock, cross side behind. It's your samba step and a weave. Add that to the top. Twinkles off on the left. 4, 5, 6, twinkle, twinkle, step, close, close, back, close, close, half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, point, hold, back, point, hold. Samba, step, cross, side, behind. So remember your samba is your cross, side, rock. You're going into a rubber box forward now. So you can step the left to the side, right beside the left, step that left forward. Right to the side, left beside the right, step the right back. Rubber box off on the left. Do that once more. 4, 5, 6. Side, close, step, side, close, back. Add that to the top. Twinkles on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, twinkle. Step, close, close, back, close, close. Half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, point, hold, back, point, hold. Samba, step, cross, side, behind. Side, close, step, side, close, back. Go back on a back lock step, left foot leading. So you step the left back, cross and lock that right over the left, step back on that left. Into a back waltz, step the right back, left beside right, right in place. That set of steps once more then, back lock on that left. 4, 5, 6, back, lock, back, back, close, close. Add that to the top. Twinkle on the left. 4, 5, 6, twinkle, twinkle. Step, close, close, back, close, close. Half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, point, hold, back, point, hold. Samba, step, cross, side, behind. Side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, back, close, close. And to finish the dance, we're just going to do 2 forward waltz steps. Left foot leading, so step forward on the left, right beside left, left in place. Then step forward on the right, left beside right, right in place. 2 waltz steps forward. Do that section once more, off on that left. 4, 5, 6, step, close, close, step, close, close. End of dance, like I said, so let's put it all together. Twinkle on the left. 4, 5, 6, twinkle, twinkle. Step, close, close, back, close, close. Half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, point, hold, back, point, hold. Samba, step, cross, side, behind. Side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, back, close, close. Step, close, close, step, close, close. So that is your dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Twinkle on the left. 4, 5, 6, twinkle, twinkle. Step, close, close, back, close, close. Half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, point, hold, back, point, hold. Samba, step, cross, side, behind. Side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, back, close, close. Step, close, close, step, close, close. Twinkle, twinkle, step, close, close, back, close, close. Half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, point, hold, back, point, hold. Samba, step, cross, side, behind. Side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, back, close, close. Step, close, close, step, close, close. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 tags and a restart in this dance. The tags are both the same. So quite simply, with the tag, you bump your hips to the left, then you bump to the right twice. On that second bump to the right, make sure your weight is on that right foot, ready to start off with your twinkle on the left. So your first tag comes after 24 counts in wall 3. Wall 3 is your 12 o'clock wall. After 24 counts, you would have just done your point hold section. You add your tag and you restart. So let's take you up to 24 counts. Wall 3, your 12 o'clock wall. Add the tag and restart so you can see how that fits in. Twinkle on the left. 4, 5, 6. Twinkle, twinkle. Step, close, close, back, close, close. Half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, point, hold, back, point, hold, tag, bump, bump, bump. And start again with your twinkles. Step, it's a hip bump to the left and 2 hip bumps to the right. So that's your first tag. 24 counts into wall 3. Your second tag comes at the end of wall 5. Now wall 5 is also your 12 o'clock wall. Let's take you through wall 5, add on the tag and restart. Twinkles off on the left. 4, 5, 6. And twinkle, twinkle. Step, close, close, back, close, close. Half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, point, back, point. Samba, step, cross, side, behind, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, back, close, close. Step, close, close, step, close, close. Tag, bump, bump, bump. Twinkle as you restart. So hopefully you can see how those tags and that restart fit in. So hip bumps, wall 3 after 24 counts, then you restart, and then at the end of wall 5 you do that tag again. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music.
Well, now we're in West Texas, and this is called the West Texas Waltz.
Four, 5, 6, twinkle, twinkle. Step, close, close, back, close, close. Half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, points, back, points. Samba, step, cross, side, behind, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, back, close, close, step, close, close, step, close, close. Twinkle, twinkle. Step, close, close, back, close, close. A half, close, close, back, close, close. Step, points, back, points. Samba, step, cross, side, behind, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, rock, back, back, close, close. Step, close, close, step, close, close. Twinkles, your tag wall, forward. Half turn, step point, tag, bump, 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 twinkle, forward, half, step point, samba, rumba, back lock, forwards, twinkle, your next restart, twinkle, tag wall,
sweet. Three-quarter time, sweeping me off my feet. If I hold you too close, darling, it's not my fault. Blame it on the West Texas waltz.
Tag, bum, bum, bum,
And the
Twinkle.
sound of twin fiddles singing so sweet. Three-quarter time, sweeping me off my feet. If I hold you too close, darling, it's not my fault. Blame it on the West Texas waltz.
Hope you managed that one.